Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to buy Chainlink link. So to buy Chainlink we are going to use Bitrue. So if you still haven't signed up on Bitrue, link in description, go sign up, and after you have signed up and logged in, here's the homepage that you will see. So the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that when you are buying link, you either have to buy first Bitcoin, XRP or Ethereum and then trade those coins into link, because you can't buy link straight up with your credit card. So what we first have to do is either buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or XRP and then trade it into link. So to do that, all you have to do is click home and then click credit card. Here you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with credit card. So either select Bitcoin, Ethereum or XRP. In this case I'm going with Bitcoin. So all you have to do here is select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. One thing that you need to keep in mind, that it takes about around 10 to 30 minutes for the Bitcoin to reach your wallet, and there are some fees. So after you have decided how much you want to buy Bitcoin, just click buy BTC. After 10 minutes or so the order will execute, and when you go back to your assets, boom, you can see the Bitcoin right here. Now the next step that you need to do is trade that Bitcoin into link. So you have to sell your BTC and buy link with it. So to do that, all you have to do is click market, then search for link, and then click the link /BTC pairing. After that, click buy. Now here you can see the trading desk. So basically how you can read this is it's simple. So the one on the left where it says link, that is what you are buying, and the one on the right it says BTC, that is the one that you are selling. So when you move this button here, you can select how much Bitcoin you want to sell and buy link with. You know what I'm saying? So when you go with 100, that means that you're selling all of your Bitcoins and trading that into link. And when you go with 25%, that means that you're selling 25% of your Bitcoin stack and buying link with it. So it's really simple to read this. So now you know. Now after you have decided how much link you want to buy, all you have to do is click the buy link button. After that, the trade will execute in a few seconds, and when you go to assets, boom, you can see your link right here. Now I don't recommend storing digital assets on crypto exchanges. So if you want the secure way to store your digital assets, link in description called Ledger Wallet. That's a really good offline wallet. If you still haven't bought an offline wallet, I highly recommend to get that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.